And good Wednesday afternoon. Sean Hammond here on Laker Country 1049 on the YouTube page and Facebook page. Just wanting to come in here and post a quick afternoon update and get you caught up on everything concerning the severe weather for tomorrow. The Storm Prediction Center, their latest outlook as of 3:30 this afternoon, it has an enhanced risk. That is a level 3 out of 5 risk for strong to severe storms for the day on Thursday. And this does include all of the Lake Cumberland area. Surrounding that, we have a level 2 slight risk, and then around that, it is a level 1 marginal risk for severe weather. So very concerned about the possibility of severe weather coming up for the day on Thursday. Been watching this for several days now, and things are starting to really come together for the potential for strong to severe storms. Still a couple of other things that we are watching that will have to play out, especially for tomorrow afternoon, and we'll get into that here in just a moment. Right now, let me do a couple of quick little things here on my end, and what I'll do is I'm going to pull up the models and give you guys an updated look at those. We'll switch over there right now. There we go. And as you can see, I'm recording this. It's about 3:40 on Wednesday afternoon. The model we are looking at, you can see the timeline. It says model. That is valid at 5 o'clock today. So we'll start moving that forward. And what I do want to caution everybody is don't take what you see on the model on the future radar. Don't take that to bank. Things could change pretty quickly, and you don't want to take what you see here on the radar, just take that as gospel. I mentioned that this morning. All right, so let's start moving ahead. This is 6 o'clock tonight. You can see nothing happening in the Commonwealth. 7, still nothing. 8 o'clock, starting to get a few little showers in parts of Kentucky, but again, like I said, don't take this to the bank. 9 o'clock, again, increasing shower activity. A lot of thunderstorms down in Tennessee. Matter of fact, this is suggesting maybe some supercells in parts of Tennessee and northern Alabama, the Tennessee Valley part of Alabama. Here's 10 o'clock tonight. Much of the same. 11 o'clock, and that's where things look to start to become a little more interesting. Now, again, I do want to stress the radar is not going to look exactly like this. But again, this model right now, this run is suggesting 11 o'clock, we're going to start to see showers and storms form. Midnight, really start to inundate the area, especially pretty strong-looking storms over in western Kentucky near Hopkinsville. There's 1 a.m. Thursday, 2 a.m., so this looks like a nighttime event. It's going to come in 2 waves. So, again, the first one looks to be a overnight and early Thursday morning type of deal. You can see just storms everywhere. Now, again, radar will not look exactly like this. Here's 5 o'clock Thursday morning. You can see the northern half of the state inundated with showers and storms. Here's 6 o'clock, maybe another batch coming out of Tennessee, according to this latest run of the model. There's 7. You can see there's Somerset. Here's Russell County. Again, continuing to get shower and thunderstorm activity. We'll step ahead to let's go to about noon. Now, this model is trying to keep storms in the region all the way through mid-morning, and here's going to be the key. The key is we are expecting to get some sort of break tomorrow from the rain activity. And during that time, that lull in activity, it's going to be interesting because what happens during that lull will kind of determine the severe weather for tomorrow afternoon, because if we get the rain out of here, shower and storm activity out of here by, let's say, midday, and we have a few hours of sunshine to really destabilize the atmosphere, that could really make for some pretty strong to severe storms. So let's keep moving forward with the model. Here's 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. You can see more showers and storms developing. And if this one's trying to throw out a few supercells, and we don't like that. If we're going to have any kind of severe weather, we want that to be in one line, one squall line, because you get those supercells, that's where you get an increased tornado threat. Here's 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. You can see those storms begin to move into the Lake Cumberland region. 5 o'clock, again, still in the area. And then this is suggesting between 6 and 8 o'clock, that'll be when things start to clear out for us. So, like I said, you can't take this to the bank. Things are going to change. These models are going to evolve. Here's a different model. This is valid. Let's move it up to midnight and see what this model shows. Again, this model's kind of in agreement with the other one. Let's step it up to about, I think this will only go up to 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It'll go up to 8. So this other model, this is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. This keeps the showers and storms. You can see more activity building off back to the west. So again, still some uncertainty as to what that midday lull is going to be. Like I said, we get that rain out of here by mid-morning, get the sun out, really destabilize the atmosphere. That could really increase the severe weather chances. Let's pull the threats back up again. As of right now, Wednesday afternoon, the Lake Cumberland area is in a level 3 enhanced risk. Surrounding that, a level 2 slight risk, and then surrounding that is a level 1 marginal risk for strong to severe storms coming up for tomorrow. We're going to keep a close watch on this all evening long. If we have any drastic change in information, I'll make sure and get another video out. Be watching our social media pages, Laker Country 1049 WJRS. You can also find me on Facebook. Just search for Sean Hammond, Laker Country 1049. You will find me there, and we'll post all the updates there. Of course, if any watches or warnings are issued, we'll be on the air at 1049 on our app. Download the Laker Country app, and we'll be on Facebook and YouTube as well with the very latest on the severe weather information. So, again, gonna go ahead and end this video. Just wanting to get an afternoon update out there. Be weather aware. If you can't stay up tonight, totally understand that. Make sure if you can have a weather radio. Charge your batteries up tonight. Also, have your phones on loud and make sure your WIA alerts are turned on. That's wireless emergency alerts. Make sure those are active on your phone, and that way, if the area in which you are in, because your phone, has the GPS thing in it, if there's a warning for your area, your phone will make a very loud noise, and it will wake you up, and then you can get and seek shelter and tune in to Laker Country, and we'll keep you up to date. So again, it looks like 2 waves. We'll have a first wave late tonight, early morning hours on Thursday, and then possibly another wave tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon, that's the biggest concern for the severe weather. Still could have some severe storms overnight, but we're going to really keep an eye out for tomorrow afternoon. Like I said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll continue to post updates on social media, and just stay tuned for the latest on in the severe weather information. Take care, guys.